Hey guys, no need to fear the blue screen error. We have the solution to get you back on track. Just follow my screen to fix this issue. Now click on Advanced Options, then select Troubleshoot, select Advanced Options, and then select Command Prompt. It will open Command Prompt window. Now execute this command carefully. Type chkdsk/f/r/c: and hit enter to execute this command. Now type c: and hit enter. Now type cd space c: / and hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command. Type cd space Windows and simply hit enter. Then type cd space system32 and hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd space config and simply press enter to execute this command. Now execute this command. Type md space backup and simply hit enter. Now type copy space *** space backup and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type md space backup1, then hit enter. Once we are here, we need to execute this command. Type copy space *** space backup1 and then press enter from your keyboard to execute this command. Type in cd space regback, then simply hit enter. Now type dir and hit enter. Type copy space *** space .. and hit enter. Then type all and simply hit enter to execute the command. Let's move to the next command. Now type bootrec space /fixmbr and simply hit enter. Type bootrec space /fixboot and hit enter. Now type cd space c: / and simply hit enter. Now type this command cd space windows /system32 /config /regback and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type this command bcd edit space /export space c: /bcd backup and hit enter. Type cd space c: / and hit enter. Now type md space boot and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type cd space boot and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type md space bcd. Type cd space c: / and hit enter. Now type attrib c: / boot /bcd -h -r -s and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type ren space c: / boot /bcd space bcd.olg, then simply hit enter to execute this command. And once done, let's move to the next command. Now type bootrec space /rebuild bcd and simply hit enter. Now type exit and simply hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you are good to go.